Today what we're going to be doing right now is replacing the cabin air filter in my FK8 Type R. I went ahead and bought this on Amazon. It's supposed to be like a charcoal cabin air filter. Activate the charcoal. First what you want to do is order this. Make sure your glove box is pretty empty. And what you want to do is, you don't need any tools. What you're going to do is squeeze this side of the glove box. Well, both sides. Squeeze them towards like inward, and that should go ahead and release it. That's right. Simple. Just squeeze. You see? Squeeze. Do them at the same time. And your cabin elf. Oh shit! Since the glove box came off, just empty this shit out. Apparently my glove box came off, but there's like some little tabs right there. I hope y'all can see that, like right there. One on each side. This is your cabin air filter. So just squeeze one side, squeeze the other, and it's gonna go ahead and pop off. And there we go. Cabin air filter. Sheesh, I don't want to make a mess. There we go. Dude, this bitch dirty. Damn, why you got this? Damn, this motherfucker dirty. I'm glad I changed it. It's the original one too. It's dirty inside. Nah. So this must be like the air filter thing. Let's go ahead and put the cover back on. Airflow down. Clicked. Squeeze. I can feel the air, so I must have did that good. Okay, air is flowing. Really simple. I spent $12. It's supposed to, you see how dirty, like I opened it up, the fins, and it was so dirty. Make sure you go ahead and check your AC, make sure it's refilled. I'm gonna link my video below too on how to recharge it. Cabin air filter, replace that. There's an HKS one, but I think it was like $30, $40. Maybe I'll do that next time. I'm gonna replace it every 3 months. Every 3 months, so it's easy, it's inexpensive, and if you use the heater in your AC a lot, it's something necessary. Like all that shit you're breathing in, it's crazy. But comment, like, subscribe. I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Hop in the Benz, hop in the M, hop in the vet. Going crazy, doing donuts in the set. I don't blend in with the rest. Crash what I represent. Crash what I represent. I'm in the Benz on Slauson. I'm in the Benz on Slauson. I'm in the Benz on Slauson. I'm in the Benz on Slauson.